and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about nutrition and how it plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. Eating a well-balanced diet can help us prevent chronic diseases, maintain a healthy weight, and improve our overall health and well-being. First, let's discuss the importance of a balanced diet. Eating a diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides our bodies with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and avocado can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa are a great source of fiber and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Lean proteins like fish, chicken, and beans are essential for building and repairing tissues in our bodies. They also provide us with energy and help us feel full and satisfied. Staying hydrated is also an important aspect of nutrition. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help us maintain a healthy weight, improve digestion, and keep our skin looking healthy. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into our diet is essential for optimal health. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect our bodies from damage and disease. Preparing healthy meals at home can be a great way to control the quality and quantity of the foods we eat. It can also be a fun and creative way to experiment with new ingredients and flavors. When grocery shopping, it's important to read food labels and look for products that are low in added sugars and saturated fats. This can help us make informed decisions about the foods we're consuming. In some cases, taking dietary supplements can help us meet our nutritional needs. However, it's important to talk to a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. So, there you have it, the importance of a well-balanced diet and some tips for incorporating healthy foods into your daily routine. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.